It's Marlena Monique and welcome back to the channel. So today's video was definitely not planned, but Mother Nature had other plans for us. So we are preparing for a hurricane. I do live in Louisiana, so we do have that on the way. So I'm trying to get the front and the back porch cleared off because the winds can be really strong, and we do have a glass door in the back of our home, and also the glass windows around the front porch. So I want to move everything around so nothing gets kind of banged up and none of my glass gets shattered. I'm going to also be sprucing up the kitchen because we do plan for the lights to be out. So we do a little load of laundry, so get everything done that's going to require electricity because we may be out for a few days. So you'll see me cleaning that up as well, and also get to see some of the hurricane snacks that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Please like and comment down below and let me know what your plans are this weekend. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I'm going to be cleaning up the kitchen, just kind of getting everything together, getting the rest of the dishes all washed up and put away. I got some in the dishwasher, so when those done, I can go ahead and put those away. We are anticipating the lights to be off, and we don't know, it's probably going to be a couple of days once the weather starts getting in and coming through. So get everything washed up in the washer and the dryer. Got a load to put up and a load to put in the dryer. And like I said, the dishwasher is going. So I'm going to show y'all what I got from the store. Our little snacks. I got me some grapes, strawberries, and some cantaloupe. And then I got some crackers, a bunch of chips. I got Funyuns, plain. Got some almonds, Funyuns, Doritos, the Smart Food popcorn, more Lay's, another bag of chips, Funyuns, plates, and I got this from this stuff comes from Dollar General, and I got this Good and Smart popcorn. So with the sea salt, so this is the first time I'm trying these. These should be pretty good, healthier choice. And these are also my first time trying these, the Honest brand juices. So I'm gonna have those. And I got the Good and Smart fruit snacks. Got my husband a Fanta. Y'all can see we like chips, and I got Pringles, barbecue, and plain. So that's it. I'm gonna be getting the kitchen together.